In this video, we'll be looking at routers and switches. We will be looking at the relationship between the two devices and how they can be connected together. Let's first look at routers. Here is an example of a router. A router is responsible for generating IP addresses for devices connected to a local area network. Therefore, every device that communicates using IP addresses or Internet Protocol requires a connection to a router, unless the device has pre-assigned IP addresses from the source of manufacture, which is the case for IP cameras. So in effect, IP cameras have their IP addresses assigned to them from the factory. A router also serves as a gateway through which devices on the local area network can communicate to devices outside of your local area network. Routers, however, have limited Ethernet ports and can only accommodate the connection of few network device connections, hence the need for network switches. Network switches come in various port capacities, and they are connected to routers in order to make available more Ethernet ports for the connection of more network devices. Switches also facilitate the sharing of resources or information among devices connected to them. So with the connection, I'll use this Ethernet cable and connect from any of the LAN ports on the router and plug into one of the uplink ports on the switch. What this now means is that instead of just 4 ports that were available on the router for device connection, we now have 7 available ports. 3 ports on the router itself and 4 other ports on the switch. So as it is now, wherever you connect any network device on this network, be it either directly to the router or to the switch, you will have the same order of communication as if all devices were connected to the router. You can have as many ports as you want by choosing an appropriate switch capacity to suit your project need. And so this is how routers and switches can be connected together in order to expand ports or port availability on your router. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you can receive alerts of new videos that we'll post on this channel. Thank you very much.